Hey, what's going on? I'm Mike from 1A Auto. I'm going to show you how to check the brake fluid. This is a 2001 Lexus GS300. Pretty much the same for 98 to 2005. Pretty much the same for all 300s. Once you have the hood open, your reservoir is right here. Use a rag, clean it off really well. It shows you on the side here the minimum level down here and the maximum level. So you want to make sure that your fluid, which is basically right up here, is above minimum and below maximum. And maybe we could use some here. If you add fluid, remove the cap, and right on it says DOT.3 fluid. So you just pour fluid right in and make sure you don't fill it above the maximum line. And then once you're all set, press it back down in and turn counterclockwise until it's locked.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1AAuto.com, your place for DIY auto repairs, for great parts, great service, and more content.